Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power down and unplug the device, then hold the connector body to stabilize the cable. Use a 7/16 wrench on the F-type nut and apply steady counterclockwise pressure. This loosens the threaded outer nut. You do this because the nut secures the connector to the port, and turning the cable risks damaging the inner conductor. Once the nut backs off, stop and check that you're gripping the body, not the cable jacket, so the coax braid and dielectric stay intact. Once the nut is loose, back it out fully and maintain gentle tension to prevent the center conductor from being pulled free. If the connector is crimped, carefully cut the crimp sleeve with diagonal cutters or a crimp removal tool. You want to open the metal sleeve, not nick the copper. Then rotate the connector body while pulling straight off. This breaks adhesion and separates the dielectric. Make sure to preserve about 1/4 inch of center conductor for any retermination or inspection. Finish by inspecting the center conductor and braid. Trim any frayed braid so it sits evenly on the dielectric and ensure the center pin is straight. If the connector won't budge, apply a small amount of penetrating oil to the nut, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then retry with steady torque. Make sure to replace with a correct size F connector or re-terminate using the proper crimp or compression tool. This prevents signal loss. Troubleshooting tip: if signal degrades, check for a bent center pin or loose braid contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.